If LibreOffice is giving you a connection error, freezing on open, or acting like it can't access something it needs, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This is especially useful if you're working with LibreOffice Base, opening documents that were created on another computer, or dealing with security settings that block connections or macros. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the most common cause, missing Java runtime. LibreOffice Base relies on Java for a lot of its database features, so if Java is not enabled or not installed properly, connection errors can happen. To check this, open LibreOffice and go to Tools, then Options. If you're on a Mac, go to LibreOffice and then Preferences. In the left sidebar, select LibreOffice, then Advanced. Here, look for the option that says Use a Java Runtime Environment. Make sure that box is checked. Now take a look at the list below it. If that box is empty, LibreOffice is not detecting Java on your system. In that case, you'll need to download and install a standard 64-bit Java JRE or JDK, then restart LibreOffice and come back to this same menu to confirm it appears in the list. Once Java is available and selected, a lot of base connection problems can be fixed right away. Next, let's look at another very common issue that affects calc and writer files. Sometimes LibreOffice tries to load and format a document using printer settings that were saved by the original author. If that printer is offline, disconnected, or even on a different network, LibreOffice can hang while opening the file. And it may look like a connection problem when it's really a document loading issue. To fix that globally, go back to Tools, then Options, then Load Save, and choose General. Under the Load section, find the setting called Load Printer Settings with the document. Uncheck that box. Then click OK to save the change. This tells LibreOffice not to depend on the original printer configuration every time you open a file, which can prevent delays, freezes, and strange loading errors. Now let's cover the security lockout issue. Sometimes LibreOffice blocks outgoing web connections or certain file actions because the macro security level is set too high. If your file needs to reach a web service, database, or external resource, LibreOffice may stop it before it ever gets a chance to ask you. To adjust that, go to Tools, then Options, then LibreOffice, and choose Security. Click the Macro Security button. Here, you can lower the level from high to medium. That way, LibreOffice won't block everything automatically. Instead, it can explicitly ask you to approve outgoing web connections when the file starts up. This is much more flexible if you trust the document source and need the file to access external content. Just remember to use this setting carefully and only with files you trust. After making these changes, close LibreOffice completely and reopen it so the new settings take effect. Then test the file or database connection again. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem, enabling Java, disabling printer settings on load, or adjusting macro security. If you're still having trouble, double-check that Java is installed correctly, that your version of LibreOffice is up to date, and that your document or database file isn't damaged. A clean restart after changing the settings can also make a big difference. So to recap, if you're seeing a LibreOffice connection error, start with Java in the advanced settings, turn off loading printer settings with documents, and lower macro security if the file needs to make approved outbound connections. Those simple changes can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.